Well, all right. You have something like "Come Make Me Hold Your Hand," which is what we call the Jamaican welcome song. This long time, gal, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Feel head down, cross, sit down, pantry top, pick up the blossom. Make me hold your hand, gal. Make me hold your hand. Those are the mentors, and they have real steps, set steps. Most of them have. They're folk dances, you know, and they have the dipping step, which is called yanga. The African step is the yanga, which is the dip, the weak knee, which you find still in reggae. You find the reggae have a lot of this weak-kneed movement, you know, and this yanga step is very prominent in a lot of the mento.
Mento takes pride of place wherever music is played in Jamaica. It is a true indigenous folk rhythm of our people and is comparable to the calypso of other West Indian islands.
Then, of course,